we are here. Let's go. See people here. There's a lot of people. Okay, so this one is Manila Post Office. This one burned like for how many months already, so this one is not yet a renovation. Okay, so this is a big building of Manila Post Office. So also still have a street food from downstairs. As you can see, this one is all street food. So there's a lot of people. Yeah, so we will go here. So we will go in that other side. Yes, there's a lot of people because it's weekend. It's no school, and also it's Easter day. So here. We need a pool. Sweet. Beautiful. We will go down. Where is that one? Oh, okay. So we will go down, guys. So we'll see here. Wow. Yes. So now we will go to this place. Wow, it's very beautiful. It's like a castle of a Chinese. And that there is water here. See guys. Now we will go down. Excuse me. Now we will go down. So this one is both side. It was a water. You can see guys. So this is water, and this one was like a under the tunnel. So here is that a place. Now we are here. Oh, it's really beautiful. So here, wow. So this one's under the, like under the tunnel. Hello, ko napunta dito. Ang ginaw na ito. Wow. So in both sides, the one from there. Okay. So this is our water. So we will go here. Wow. Meron si Bapang. Ang ganda pala dito. So they have some Mickey Mouse. It's a Mickey Mouse there. So you have Mickey Mouse and this one, I don't know what is it. This is Mickey Mouse. This one is Mickey Mouse. And this one is Power Ranger. Go there. Okay, now we will go up. And we will go up here. But there's a lot of people. Wow. Now we are here.
Dito ako nagpaparamdam.
Ganda pala dito. Oh. still have also the street food here.